Now, before you move forward, one more thing that you need to understand about orthography and isometry is that let's say I create a shape. So the shape that we are taking forward looks like that. Taking this forward, if I end up making this shape, so if let's say I have a rectangle and this shape is coming out of a rectangle, I may choose to show it like this. If I end up making the top view of this, so the top will obviously be above, that will be one line here, and there will be another line here. And similarly, if I was to make the side view of this, that would also entail one line here and one line here. Now these lines obviously are not showing any thickness because our material or our shape over here has no thickness. So let's say we do make some thickness for it so that it's easier for me to explain to you how or what is the main difference between orthography and isometry. When we create the top view, it will look like that. When we create the side view, looking at this and looking at that thickness, we will be constructing a shape that looks like this. So this is how it looks in orthography. However, in isometry, what will happen is that this product or that shape are going to remain in 3D itself. So that means let me just recreate that shape. I'm not creating it at the given 30-degree angle. However, I'm just going to explain to you what is it that you need to understand about 3D versus 2D. Now, in orthography, what will happen is that you will be looking at the face. All right. So here also you're going to look at the face. From the top also you're going to look at the two faces. And from the side also you're going to look at the two faces. But it's going to be head on. As soon as you start talking about isometric or perspective, you don't talk about the face. Then you start talking about the edge. So this is your starting edge, which means you will end up seeing both this side and that side as the two faces. This will carry forward wherever this edge goes. So in 3D, you will always start from an edge, and in 2D, you will always start from a face. 2D is orthography, so you can remember it as orthography 2D face. This will be isometric 3D and edge.